Stay close, kids. This airport is huge and very crowded.
Look, Mom, the exit is this way. We just need to get our bags. Mom, I don't have my blue backpack. Where is my blue backpack?
Oh no, Logan, did you leave it on the airplane?
My favorite teddy bear is inside. And my snacks.
Don't cry, Logan. We will find it. Let's ask for help. Excuse me, sir. Do you speak English? We need some help.
Yes, I speak English. Welcome to London. How can I help you today?
My son lost his blue backpack. He thinks he left it on the airplane.
Okay, please do not worry. What flight did you arrive on?
Oh my goodness. Our hotel reservation paper was in that bag too.
Mom, you put our most important paper in Logan's snack bag?
I'm so sorry, sweetie. It was an accident.
It was an accident. I was trying to carry all the heavy suitcases.
Sir, please find my bear. His name is Mr. Fluffers. Mr. Fluffers?
Mr. Fluffers is very important. I will call the airplane cleaners right now. Attention, Gate 42. We are looking for a blue backpack with a bear.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Did they find him?
They found a blue bag, but there is no bear inside. Just a lot of chocolate.
That is not our bag. Logan ate all his chocolate before we landed.
No. What are we gonna do? Without the reservation, we have nowhere to sleep.
Let's retrace your steps. Where did you go after you got off the airplane?
We went to the bathroom, and then we bought some water at a shop.
Let's go check there immediately.
Excuse me, did someone find a blue bag here? Mr. Fluffers, you are safe! And here is our hotel reservation! Thank goodness! Thank you so much for your help, sir. You are a lifesaver.
You are very welcome. Have a wonderful vacation in London.
Okay, family. No more losing bags. Let's go to our hotel and relax.
Mr. Fluffies is ready for a big nap. Let's go!